Hello everyone and welcome back to Independence Farm Eldoret, home of quality Dorper sheep. Today I want to show you something that is very important and many farmers usually ignore. How to prepare a meal for maintenance use. So here is the best meal for maintenance use and very practical farm mix. Like an example for my setup, I have planted the Napier grass, I have maize silage, I also have super Napier silage and maize stovers. So you will notice that if you feed your sheep with only either maize stovers or the Napier, they won't access the accessible nutrients, and that's why we formulate our own sheep meal or the concentrates. So I will give you a 100 kg standard ratio, and that's 60 kg wheat bran, 30 kg maize germ, and 7 kg cotton seed cake. Don't forget to add DCP 1 kg, lime 1 kg, mineral premix 0.5 kg, and salt 0.5 kgs. After assembling all these ingredients, it is important to know the role of each one. Let's start with the wheat bran. This one is the main source of energy and fiber source. This helps in digestion and therefore it prevents bloat and acidosis. Also, it is the cheapest one. The second one is the maize or the maize germ. This one has the highest amount of energy in our ratio, and it's very important in maintaining the body condition. The third one is the cotton seed cake, and here you can substitute with either sunflower or canola. This one is just rich in protein and it helps with maintaining the muscles. We have the dicalcium phosphate, that is the DCP. It provides phosphorus and calcium, and it supports fertility and bone strength. We have the calcium carbonate. This one is an extra calcium source. It prevents weak bone. We have the salt. This one improves the appetite, and also the mineral premix. This one helps with supplying trace minerals like the zinc, copper, and selenium. This boosts immunity and fertility. So guys, thank you so much for following Independence Farm Eldoret. Make sure you have subscribed on our YouTube channel so that you can learn on daily basis. Thank you.